Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Chrome Mobile. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first, to begin here, what you can do is open your Google Chrome on your browser on your mobile phone and just simply click on the three dots menu on the upper right corner of the screen. And what you need to do is to simply go to settings in order for you to be able to enable JavaScript. You just scroll down and then click on settings right here. And the next thing that you will look for is site settings. You just need to scroll down. And there you have it. Under accessibility, just click on site settings, and there under notification or below notifications you can see that there is a JavaScript option where it's currently turned on. So in order for you to enable that, just toggle that on if it's blocked on your end, but in my case here, just turn it on and then it will definitely enable your JavaScript. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to enable JavaScript. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.